Guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping on this channel, you are most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell. And to all my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use aloe vera for proper hair growth. I'll be showing you how I use my aloe vera to grow my hair and to keep my hair healthy. So here I'm prepping my aloe vera stem. I'm just using one stem of aloe vera for this procedure. If you have fuller hair, you might need more than one, but one is just enough for me. And this is a medium size aloe vera, so if you get the biggest, you can use about half, but this is just a medium size, so I'll be using one. Okay, so now I'm scraping off the spikes. Before you do this, make sure you've washed your aloe vera very well and patted it dry. So I'm going to peel off the spikes and then peel off this area of the aloe vera because we don't need that. We just want to extract the gel. I don't need that. I just need the gel. So when I've successfully taken out that part of the aloe vera, I'm going to go ahead and start scraping off the gel. At this point, if you notice any yellowish substance, just wash the aloe vera again. We just want a very clear jelly-like substance from the aloe vera. We don't want the yellowish substance because that could kind of irritate your skin if your skin is super sensitive. So we don't want that, and it's not very healthy for the hair. So I'm just going to scrape off the whitish area or the watercolor area of the aloe vera. No doubt that aloe vera is loaded with a lot of nutrients that is good for the hair, for the human body, and for the skin. Aloe vera has a lot of nutrients and benefits for the hair. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, and these vitamins promote healthy hair growth and shiny hair. So if you're battling with dull hair, dry hair, aloe vera can help your hair become healthy and also promote shine and glistening on your hair. So after extracting the gel, I'm going to try to break up the granules, the ones that didn't break up while scraping off the gel, but this turned out very abortive. Sometimes I get lucky, but this time around, this aloe vera was very tough, so I had to proceed to blending my aloe vera in a blender, and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. So here is my aloe vera gel all broken down into this foamy substance, which is still our aloe vera gel. So I'm going to transfer this foamy substance into my spray bottle for easy application. Can you see that slime? Okay, I added nothing to this aloe vera. I'm just using the aloe vera on its own on my hair, and I've been lately into scarves and protective styles for my hair because I don't want to be doing too much with my hair. We're approaching the Harmattan period where the weather has adverse effect on the hair, so I try as much as possible to keep my hair safe and protected. So I've been wearing this not very clean mini twist. I guess that's what it's called. So I'm going to unravel this mini twist and start working the aloe vera gel into my hair. Aloe vera also contains vitamin B12 and folic acids that are very good to promote hair growth, to prevent your hair from falling off. Aloe vera also helps cleanse the scalp, make sure that dead skin cells on your scalps are treated Aloe vera gel conditions and improves damaged dry hair. All right, so I'm going to use this gel today as a mask, and here are all the benefits of aloe vera gel. In case you have itching scalp, uncontrollable itching scalp that can result from dandruff, aloe vera gel is going to help calm down itching scalp. We already know that aloe vera gel has soothing effects on the skin, so this also plays a role in our hair, on our scalp, to improve our scalp health and calm down every itchiness going on in there. So aloe vera also deep cleanses oily hair. So if you have oily hair and oily scalp, you know what oil does to the hair. It blocks the hair follicles and encourages stunted growth. So aloe vera gel deep cleans oily hair and remove every impurity from your hair. It strengthens and repairs hair strands because of the vitamin A, C, and E, all present in aloe vera gel. It can help promote healthy cell growth and shiny hair. All right. So with my spray bottle, I'm going to be working this juice into my hair and also on my scalp. While working in the juice, I try to finger detangle my hair. Like I said, my hair have been in this mini twist whatever for 3 days, so I try to finger detangle and make sure that the aloe vera gel goes entirely into my hair and my scalp. All right, so aloe vera gel also cleanses the scalp, like I said earlier, and it conditions your hair. All right, rubbing aloe vera gel into your hair can really stimulate hair growth and encourages healthy cell growth on your hair. The folic acid and vitamin B12 present in aloe vera gel can prevent your hair from falling off. So if you're suffering shedding or hair falling off, aloe vera gel can really terminate such contrast going on in your hair. It can prevent your hair from falling off and encourages a very healthy hair growth. So just try to use this gel on your hair if you're suffering from hair loss, hair thinning, whatever you're suffering from that has to do with alopecia. Aloe vera gel treats that and prevents your hair from falling off because it makes your hair strands very strong and healthy. So while working that into my hair, I'm also trying to finger detangle it as well. All right, so this quantity of aloe vera gel I have in the spray bottle was not enough for the entire hair. That's why I said you need to use one. At the beginning of the video, you saw me cut the aloe vera, but it wasn't enough, so I went ahead to make another aloe vera juice or aloe vera hairspray for my hair. When I'm done with each section, I go back and twist up the hair again. Okay, I just twist back my hair to how it was before, and I proceed to the next section of hair. Okay, that was fast. I guess That was fast, I guess. So I've ended up applying the aloe vera gel onto every strand and area of my hair and twisted it back as it was. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and secure my hair with a plastic bag. If you look very well, you can see that the aloe vera juice is dripping and it was just all over the place and all over me. So I'm going to secure my hair in a plastic bag because I intend to wash this off. All right, there's like a hair mask I'm putting on my hair. I intend to wash it off, and I'm going to wash off with just a mild shampoo. I'm not going to use conditioner. All right, I'm just going to wash it off with a mild shampoo. And after securing my hair with a black plastic bag, I'm going to go ahead and put on my shower cap, and you can leave this overnight and wash off the following morning. So when using aloe vera juice on your hair, you should also know that it has risks and things you should avoid. When we are prepping our aloe vera root, we try to remove the yellowish substance, and that substance causes irritation. So if it's your first time trying aloe vera on your hair, make sure to do a patch test just to be sure that your skin does not react negatively to the aloe vera. But if you're safe on that after the patch test and you did not react, no irritation or redness whatsoever, you are free to use your aloe vera gel on your hair. And repeat this treatment once a week for massive hair growth, I assure you. In other videos, I will show you how to use aloe vera for hair growth. But till then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.